Hi guys, back again with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the keyboard settings in your device Realme Narzo 50 Pro and 5G. So if in this device you want to learn about the keyboard settings, or if you want to change the settings, or you want to know about the settings, we can easily do it by the method as I will show you. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the keyboard settings in your device. Let's watch the video.